Tired of juggling leads between Kvcore and follow-up boss and feeling like you're dropping the ball? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect Kvcore to follow-up boss, creating a lead-generating powerhouse. First, you'll need your Kvcore API Key, which can be found in your Kvcore account settings, usually under API Access or Integrations. Copy this key, as it's the bridge between the two platforms. Now, head over to your follow-up boss account, navigate to Admin, then Integrations, and locate Kvcore in the list of available integrations. Click on it to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to enter your Kvcore API key. Paste the key you copied earlier into the designated field. Next, you might be asked to configure specific settings like lead source mapping. This ensures that leads from Kvcore are properly tagged and categorized within follow-up boss. Once you've entered your API key and adjusted any settings, click Save or Connect to finalize the integration. Follow-up boss should now be pulling leads directly from Kvcore. To test the connection, create a test lead in Kvcore and see if it appears in follow-up boss. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a few minutes for the synchronization to occur. If you run into any issues, double-check that your API key is correct and that your integration settings are properly configured. Refer to the follow-up boss help documentation or contact their support team for assistance with common connectivity problems. Now you can enjoy a seamless flow of leads and automated follow-up, all thanks to the power of Kvcore and follow-up boss working together.